Having trouble drawing objects from perspective? This video is for you. Come with me. Hey everyone, Mobin here. Today, we're going to teach you how to draw in perspective. Let's get started. To learn perspective, you should start with simple shapes, like a pipe. A cylinder is made up of two circles connected to each other. If we want to draw it in perspective, it looks like this. The circle that's farther away from us is smaller, and the circle that's closer is drawn bigger. So, the smaller we draw the far circle and the bigger the near circle, the stronger our view will be, like this. And vice versa. If we don't draw the far and near circles small and big, the length of our object will look smaller, like this. The more we overlap our circles, the more visible our perspective will be, like this. Now let's move on to a harder shape, like a bottle, like a bottle. To draw the bottle, we break it down into simpler shapes, like this, and connect the circles together. And finally, we get to the hand. These rules apply to the hand too. For example, we make the wrist, which is farther away, a small circle, and the palm, which is closer, a larger circle. Then, we add the details. Look closely. Don't forget, these rules also apply to the fingers. We have to draw them with 3 circles to show their perspective. Look carefully. And as always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it for practice. If you don't know how to draw different facial emotions, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.